What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be replacing the automatic shutoff valve on this AC30 reverse osmosis. This is a very common issue where the customer calls in and says his RO is making a weird like trumpet sound or like a high-pitched vibration noise. So the reason that happens is you get air trapped in the RO, and that's the sound that you hear. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn off the tank valve and the feed valve, and then you're going to come up to the faucet, turn it on and turn it off. Now you're going to relieve all the pressure. Next, you're going to want to remove one of these clips that you see here. If it comes off easily, then you know for sure there's no pressure in it and it's not going to be a big water mess or anything like that. Next, you're going to see these 3 screws right here. This is where the automatic shutoff valve is located. You're going to remove all 3 screws, kind of remove it evenly. Once they're loose or you take them off completely, then you can use a flathead screwdriver and kind of pry off the cap to the automatic shutoff. It's kind of difficult at first unless you get a really flat, skinny flathead screwdriver to kind of wedge in between the manifold and the cap right there. But once you are able to get it off, then you're going to see the actual valve that's located inside. The easiest way that's the cap. It's got 3 O-rings. You want to make sure those O-rings are greased up before you put it back in. And then you kind of tilt it to the front. And then if it doesn't fall off, then you can use a little screwdriver and just pry it out. As you can tell, it's like a little rubber piece, just like that. Next, you're going to want to get your new valve. You can get it from Culligan Water. If you just tell them that you're looking for an automatic shutoff valve for the AC30 reverse osmosis, they'll know exactly what you're looking for. Also, keep note of the orientation when it comes out so you can put it in the same way. There's really only one way that it'll fit, and it'll be pretty obvious. It's got a little groove on one side right there, and it fits right onto the cap. The other way, like this, it does not fit, and like that, it fits. So like I said, it's very obvious. Then you're just gonna put it back in the same way you took it out, and then put the cap back in. When you do put the cap back in, remember to put a little grease on those O-rings, and then just tighten the screws evenly all the way around. And once you do that and everything is back in place, you put the clip back on the housing that you removed at first, that metal clip. Then you can put it back in service, turn on the water, turn on the tank. There's no need to drain out the tank or anything like that. Though if you want to drain it out, it's not a bad idea. You can release any more air that may be trapped in the tank, so you can ensure it won't make that noise again. But again, it's a very common noise. It's very obvious. When you hear it, you'll know right away, hey, that's not a normal sound. So at that point, you can go to Culligan yourself and just ask or just purchase the automatic shutoff valve for the AC30. And with this video, you can do it yourself. Again, this is a very simple procedure to do. If you have any sort of basic knowledge with tools and screwdrivers, you can definitely do it. I believe in you. And this will save you a $200 service call, believe it or not. So go ahead and feel confident, tackle this yourself, and enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I try to answer your questions right away. And any suggestions, any ideas. There's the clip that I was talking about. You put that back in once you're all done. That secures the housing into place. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Again, hopefully with this video I can save you that $200 aforementioned service call fee, and all I ask in return is that you hit the subscribe button and you help me out. Thanks for watching guys.